Hi everyone, check out some of my new step-by-step courses and tutorials about 3D verified views, exterior daylight visualization, and the night version of the same, the interior daylight visualization, and the night version of the same. There's also a step-by-step course about studio lighting with a car, a 3D people course for interior and exterior scenes, and much more. To find out more about these new courses and tutorials, simply click the link below or Google Jamie Cardoso. This is my blog where you can check all my latest tutorials and courses. They are also available on my new YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and many more platforms. I can't wait to see you on the other side.